Camping hammock with mosquito net and rainfly can protect you from the sun and rain. With this multifunctional tent tarp, your backpacking hammock can be used in sunny and rainy days. With 2 by 10 foot flat straps to hang on the tree, carabiners snap to the strap. You can adjust the height with the 5+1 loops and knots and NO rope system to protect the tree and easy to install. The portable hammock comes with an attached stuff sack. When your hammock is not used, you can fold it into this pocket for portable backpacking. Also, it can be used to place your mobile phones, water cups, and other stuff during use.